Hello, dear children. I welcome you all to the online classes and I hope you are enjoying your studies. Children, in the previous video, we have covered degree of comparison. I hope you must have understood that topic clearly. And in today's video, we are going to learn about formation of comparative and superlative degrees. So let's begin. Formation of comparative and superlative degrees. Now your first point is, for most of the adjectives of one syllable, comparative is formed by adding er and superlative by adding est to the positive. Now in this, first of all, what we are going to learn is the meaning of syllable. I'm quite sure that you have no idea about this. So let's understand what does it mean by. Children, syllable is, we should remember, an important first step in dividing up a word into syllables. Remember, one vowel sound is equal to one syllable. Now, I hope you all know what vowels are. Just for revision, vowels are your A, E, I, O, U. And all these are your English alphabets, and remaining others, they are your consonants. So, it says that one vowel sound is equal to one syllable. If a word has three vowel sounds, here once again, if a word has three vowel sounds, then it has three syllables. You can take this formula as one vowel sound is equal to one syllable. That means if we have three vowel sound, that means we have three syllables. Children, have you noticed that I have said vowel sounds? I have not used the word vowels, rather than I have said vowel sounds. Not actually vowels, but we are going to hear the vowel sounds to form syllables. Let's take one example. If I take example as a word cupcake, in this you can easily count we have three vowels. But the E is silent. We had three vowels, I have said, in cupcake, U, A, E. But children, as I have told you, E is silent. We are not getting any sound of vowel E. So now we are left with only two vowels and we can hear the sound U and A. That means the word cupcake has only two vowels. I'm not saying that we have three vowels, but vowel sounds, but we have only two vowel sounds. That means we have two syllables. I hope I made this clear to you. Now let's come back to the definition of the first point. It says that when we have one syllable, then a comparative is formed by adding er. And when we have superlative, it is formed by adding est to the positive. Now we have so many examples in the book. Let's discuss few of them. First one is soft. As you can see, the word soft has one vowel. Can you find out? Yes, definitely you can. It is O. And we can also hear the vowel sound. That O sound we can hear. So we can say that this word has one syllable. And in the same manner, we have one syllable in all the words which are given here. So in this case, the comparative degree is formed by adding er and you can see that superlative is formed by adding est to the positive word. The second point says, when the positive ends in E, only R and ST are added. So here let's see the examples in the book given. The first one is pure. Now the word pure, you can see that it is ending with the alphabet E. And according to the point 2, it says if the word is ending with E, then we have to add R to the comparative and ST to the superlative. Now, why aren't we using ER and EST? Because already E is there, so we need not to double it. Just we can add R to make it comparative and ST to make it superlative. In the same manner, you can see the second example also, wise. Wise also is ending with E. So here also we have used R in comparative and ST in superlative. Third point, when the positive ends in Y preceded by a consonant, the Y is replaced with I before adding ER and EST. Okay, here it says that if the word is ending with Y, as you can see in all the examples given in the third point, all are ending with Y. And it says preceded by a consonant. And you can also see that before Y, we have consonants. As you can see in example 1, Mary. It is ending with Y definitely, and you can see before Y we have the alphabet R, and R is not your vowel, it is your consonant. In the same manner, the second one is easy. In it, you can see before Y we have the alphabet S. This is also your consonant. And so it says, if the word is ending with Y preceded by the consonant, then the Y is replaced with I. It means we have to omit Y, and instead of that we have to use the alphabet I before adding ER and EST. So let's see the example thoroughly. In the positive degree, we have the first one, Mary. You can see Y is there, and before Y we have consonant. Let's come to the comparative. In comparative, how this word has changed? We have removed Y. As I have told you in point 3, it says, if we have the word ending with Y and before that we have consonant, then we will remove Y, and in that place we will add I, and then we can use ER to the comparative and in the same manner EST to the superlative. But we have another rule in this. It says if Y is preceded by a vowel, then Y is not changed. As you can see down here, it is given the word gay. You can see the word gay is ending with Y, and before that we have vowel A, not a consonant. So in this case, Y will not be removed. Instead of that, we will just take the word as it is, and in comparative degree we will add ER to the word, and in superlative we will add EST without removing Y. That's all for today. Dear children, I would like to remind you that you have to learn all the definitions. I am not only talking about this particular lesson, but of all the lessons we have covered in class 6. And please keep on revising and learning the exercises. Take care and have a nice day.